for securing a bright future of American small students involves building good habits, developing skills, and fostering a supportive environment for growth. Here are some tips. 1. Focus on education and learning. Build strong foundational skills. Encourage reading, writing, and math proficiency as they are essential for future academic and career success. Promote curiosity. Inspire students to ask questions and explore topics they are interested in. Utilize technology wisely. Teach children how to use educational apps, tools, and the internet safely and effectively. 2. Teach life skills early. Time management. Help them learn how to prioritize tasks and manage their schedules. Problem-solving skills. Encourage critical thinking by allowing them to solve age-appropriate challenges. Financial literacy. Introduce basic concepts of saving, spending, and budgeting. 3. Encourage healthy habits. Nutrition and exercise. Promote balanced meals and regular physical activity to ensure physical and mental well-being. Sleep routines. Ensure they get adequate rest to support learning and growth. Stress management. Teach relaxation techniques and the importance of emotional health. 4. Develop social and emotional skills. Communication skills. Help them express their thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully. Empathy and kindness. Foster an understanding of others' perspectives and encourage acts of kindness. Resilience. Teach them how to handle failures and setbacks positively. 5. Foster creativity and interests. Extracurricular activities. Encourage participation in sports, arts, music, or clubs to discover their passions. STEM exposure. Introduce science, technology, engineering, and math-related activities to spark interest in future-forward fields. 6. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. Teach them that effort leads to improvement and that mistakes are opportunities to learn. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge their hard work and small successes to build confidence. 7. Ensure online safety. Digital literacy. Teach them about online privacy, safe browsing, and recognizing harmful content. Parental controls. Use tools to monitor and limit screen time and access to inappropriate websites. Cyberbullying awareness. Educate them about the importance of reporting harmful online behavior. 8. Build a supportive environment. Parental involvement. Stay engaged in their education and activities to guide them effectively. Positive role models. Surround them with mentors, teachers, and peers who inspire and encourage them. Community involvement. Encourage participation in community service to instill a sense of responsibility and teamwork. 9. Plan for the future. Set goals. Help them set achievable short-term and long-term goals. Explore career options. Introduce them to various professions and encourage exploration of interests. Save for education. Consider starting a college savings plan or other educational investment early. By creating a nurturing and empowering environment, children can develop the skills and confidence needed to secure a successful and fulfilling future.
Don't forget to subscribe.